Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in Outlook app on Android. By default, the Outlook app will use your phone's system language. But if you want to change the language according to what you want, you can go to the Outlook app settings menu to change it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Outlook app on your phone. Currently my Outlook app is still using the device's system language. To change to a different language, tap the Outlook icon in the upper left corner. Tap the settings icon here. Scroll down. There will be a language option. Just tap it. There will be a variety of languages that you can choose from. If you want to use English, please select English. But here I will change it to Chinese. So just tap it. Then the Outlook app language will use the language we choose. That's the tutorial on how to change language in Outlook app on Android. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.